So sounds like a Florida story.
You are just, man, damn.
Sounds like a Florida story, but it's not. But it is another reason why I'm never going to America.
You don't have to keep saying it, man.
I do.
We get it. We get it.
So, a man in California allegedly propped up his wife's dead body on the couch during Christmas while his kids opened up gifts. And he threw her around, and she allegedly fell on top of a glass table. And, glass pierced her body. She died. The guy got his daughter to help clean the wounds of his dead wife, pull out glass out of the body, and then, propped her up while kids are opening presents. So he's looking at 25 years to life.
This is my assumption. The reason why he did it is because, he acted in a moment of anger and aggression, and he's probably one of those bipolar, short-tempered, quick-to-go hot type of people. And it got really aggressive, and it got violent, and it went to a place where he didn't want it to go, but that's where it went, and she ended up dying this time, because once again, these are these situations where you can see this isn't the first time this has happened. It doesn't just go from 0 to 100 with beating on women. I could tell you that. You know what I'm saying? So it went to a level that he didn't expect it to go at. Then he started thinking about the kids. Doesn't want to go to jail. He knows that they're going to start asking questions about where mom is. Christmas Day is coming next. He's like, if I can get through Christmas, then I can make through a reason as to where mommy is or where mommy went. So a little bit of remorse, a little bit of guilt, a little bit of not wanting to be found guilty. It's a combination of all of them, and when you put them together, it stirs up to the dumbest decision of all.
How do you have your daughter help you with this? What type of therapy is she going to need to suppress this memory? Even the children who didn't help, when they eventually figure out that they had Christmas morning around their mom's dead body. You can't do Christmas anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying that Christmas that's the least of their worries, but I'm just saying, like, Christmas happens every single year. So when they're finally making moves in their life to get over this, when Christmas comes, and remember, how the States gets, even Canada, they start talking about Christmas from like fucking, as soon as Halloween's done, it's Christmas time. So that's like 2 months. Just memories. They're fucked. Hopefully those kids got some real stable family members outside of that dad. Because he gone anyways. He going to jail. So hopefully they got some real stable family members, because one thing they're gonna need is support and stability, 100%.
Yo, just do me a favor and make sure that you put the suggested thing, because I want people to hear the discussion that we had about how I feel about the requirements for just becoming a parent, just in general. Just if you want to have children, what I feel you should have.
What's so funny is I posted that on TikTok about you saying they should take some sort of a course, and one of the comments was like, "Oh, they did take a course, intercourse."
You know what?
Sorry, I had to make it light, but
that's really good.
It was good. It was good. All right. Anyways, viewing public, what are your thoughts here? Any more insight into the case? By the way, this happened in 2011, and this just recently went to trial, right? So, fuck this guy. Fuck this guy with everything in life. Yeah, leave it in the comments, man. What to comment about, I don't know. This is all fuckery. None of this makes sense to me. But Two Guys Doing a Podcast, and maybe there should be a course that's mandatory that you need to take before becoming a parent, and not intercourse. As clever as that was. Deuces. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Don't forget to like and comment. We finally hit our goal of 100 subscribers.
No, we're not done yet, though, Chris, man. We're trying to get to 200 subscribers, okay? So check out these videos over here, and make sure you press this button, man. Thank you for the 100. Let's get to 2.
Doses. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Don't forget to like and comment. We finally hit our goal of 100 subscribers.
No, we're not done yet, though, Chris, man. We're trying to get to 200 200 okay? So check out these videos over here, and make sure you press this button, man. Thank you for the 100. Let's get to 2.
Doses.